Hi again, it's Brandon with the Waterwise Community Center, and this is part 2 in our series on how to replace your sprinkler. One of the important things while setting our sprinkler back is to make sure we compact the soil around it, make sure that the sprinkler is up straight. The sprinkler that we installed has a flush cap. Flush caps are great. They allow us to run the system, get out any debris, anything that might have got into our line when we're making the repair. Last step, removing the flush cap. And I just took the nozzle out of our broken sprinkler because the nozzle's still good. Simply screw the nozzle in. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this 2-part series on how to replace a sprinkler.